Hello guys and welcome to Trade Edge. So as discussed in my last video that we will learn how to trade a Gartley pattern, which is quite similar to cipher pattern. You can see the video of cipher pattern on my YouTube page. I have given the link in the description as well. So I have also searched through amongst a few of the stocks and have come upon a stock which is showing a Gartley pattern, and I'll tell you how to trade in it. So let's see what Gartley pattern is. So let's when a stock moves from X to A, it's quite similar to a cipher pattern. It's a harmonic trading pattern. When a stock moves from X to A, we take the Fibonacci retracement of X to A, and 61.8% Fibonacci retracement of X to A should give us B. Now, as I have repeated again and again for cipher pattern and for every other harmonic patterns, the crucial thing is that for B, we take the close of the candlestick, not the wick. So the close, if it exceeds 61.8%, only for B I am talking about. If the close exceeds 61.8%, then our harmonic pattern is void. But if the close is within 61.8% and the wick has closed 61.8%, we are still in the game. And while measuring, so we obtain by taking a Fibonacci retracement of X to A, 61.8% gives us B. Then again, we take the Fibonacci retracement of A to B, which should give us C. And C should lie between 38.2% to 88.6% Fibonacci retracement of A to B. Then we take the Fibonacci extension of B to C, and point D should lie between 127% to 161.8% of the Fibonacci extension of B to C. As in cipher pattern, we double confirm point D by taking the Fibonacci retracement of X to A, and D should be roughly around 78.6% of the Fibonacci retracement of X to A. We should get point D. So quickly again repeating this is the bullish Gartley pattern, again repeating it quickly. Stock rises from X to A, you take the Fibonacci retracement from X to A, 61.8% should give you B. We check B's close should not extend beyond 61.8%. You take the Fibonacci retracement of A to B, it should give you point C. Point C should lie between 38.2% to 88.6%. Then you take the Fibonacci extension of B to C, you get point D. D should lie between 127% to 161.8%, and you double check point D by taking the Fibonacci retracement of X to A. Point D should be 78.6% retracement, roughly around 78.6% retracement of X to A. Now once the stock has reached, this will be your entry point. Once the stock has reached D, the 78.6%, you enter at this point. You keep the stop loss as X, a few pips below X. This will be your stop loss, and our targets are given by the Fibonacci retracement of X to C. So our targets will be, first target will be 61.8% retracement of X to C, which is 378.22. Second target will be 381.62, and third target will be 385.09. Okay guys, so I was searching some of the stocks, came upon Bharti Airtel, whose results were disclosed today, the results on 20th of April, and surprisingly the news break out that there was some goof up, and the profit was posted as positive, but actually it's negative. So I'm expecting a gap down tomorrow, because the stock rose on the news of good results. It was going down, and then there was a news of good results, so the stock went up. But then again, after the market assets been disclosed that the results were posted wrongly, and so I'm expecting the prices to move down. So when the prices moved down, we posted X to A, A to B, B to C. So X to A, Fibonacci retracement 62.4. Yes, this is the wick, and if you check the close, it lies 54.7%, which suits perfectly for us because it does not because the close does not exceed beyond 61.8%, as you can see. Then again you take the Fibonacci retracement of A to B, which comes at 0.51, which is 51.1%. It lies between 38.2% to 88.6%. Then again you take the Fibonacci extension of B to C, you get it 150.1%, which lies between 127% to 161.8%. So till now, if point D comes at 383, if the stock, and you validate this point D by taking Fibonacci retracement of X to A, you get 78.6%. Point D comes at roughly exactly at 383, and this will be my entry point for Bharti Airtel. I am expecting stock to open gap down tomorrow, that is 29th of April, because of the wrong news. Stock should go down till 383, and that will be my entry point. So for every trade, though this pattern has got a high accuracy rate, but still I'll keep my stop loss as X, which was at 371, 370.9 is the X point, so I'll keep my stop loss at 370. And from here I expect the stock to, if it reaches 380 tomorrow, I expect my targets will be given by Fibonacci retracement between X to C, that is 300 and I can't see the numbers, I'm sorry, it is 385.47. Then second target will be 390, the third target will be 394.6. So see, my entry point is 383, stop loss is 379, which makes a risk of 4 rupees. And from here the stock, if it completes target 3, it will move to 394, which is which gives us a risk to reward ratio of 1:3, which is pretty nice for the trade. So that will be my trade strategy. That's the bullish Gartley pattern which we talked today. And the bearish Gartley pattern goes exactly like the bullish Gartley pattern, except it reacts in the different way. So X is this, it starts from X to A, 61.8% gives you B, then again A to B, the ratios are the same, and A to B, so 38.7% to 88.6% will give you C. I'm sorry, I have just written it over here, it's this, it should go like this. Then again B to C, or Fibonacci extension between 127 to 161.8% should give you D. And then again you take the Fibonacci retracement of X to A, it should give you points. The point D should be double confirmed by being 78.6%. Don't worry, we will discuss this bearish Gartley pattern again with an example of a stock. Right now we have discussed the bullish Gartley pattern with Bharti Airtel on 20th of April. My entry price will be, again I repeat, it will be 383, my stop loss will be 379, and my targets will be 385.47, 390 and 394.6. This will be my targets. Thanks for watching Trade Edge, and please subscribe to the channel if you like my videos, and if the trade strategy seems to be working for you, and if you understand the patterns, please subscribe, because I'll keep posting the videos on the advanced patterns and on some of the basic patterns, and you can learn through them. Thanks a lot, folks.